Hello student, welcome to online class of class 6 English grammar. In this video I will tell you chapter 18 about chapter 18 and that is active and passive voice. In this video we shall study about active voice and passive voice. To explain active voice and passive voice, let's see an example, that is here I will write an example. Kiran reads a book. Here it is a sentence, a simple sentence. In this sentence, Kiran, it is a subject. It is a subject part of this sentence. Reads, it is a verb. You can see this is the first form of verb, so you can write the first. A book. This is the object of the sentence. In this sentence, subject, verb, and object. Here, Kiran reads a book. Our subject is Kiran. It means the sentence which reads a book. This sentence is in active form. Active form, or you can say active voice. This sentence is in active voice. Here in this sentence, Kiran reads a book. It means the verb reading. This is a verb. Here subject. It means Kiran has done the work. So this sentence is in active voice, because in active sentence a verb that show that action is done by a subject is said to be active sentence. Active sentence. In active sentence, verb show that verb, or you can say action is done by subject. Here in this sentence, our subject is Kiran. Kiran has done the work. The work is reading book. Or you say Kiran read the book. This type of sentence in which a verb show an action that is done by a subject is said to be a active sentence. Let's see the definition of active sentence. Definition of active sentence. The definition of active sentence is a verb that show that an action is done by the subject. Subject is said to be an active voice, or you can say active sentence. The sentence or those sentences, or you can say in which verb show that the work or the action is done बाय अ सब्जेक्ट इज सेड टू बी एन एक्टिव सेंटेंस। यानी वे सेंटेंस जिसमें कोई वर्क या कोई एक्शन वर्क सब्जेक्ट यानी हमारे सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा कोई भी वर्क किया गया होता है उसे हम एक्टिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं। जैसे इसके पहले हमने नोट किया था, as we have seen the example before, Kiran read a book. In this sentence, Kiran is the subject and he has done the work of reading a book. Here verb is read and the object is book. In this way we can say that Kiran has done the work of reading a book. So this sentence is said to be a active sentence. In active sentence our verb show that action is done by a subject. So this type of sentence is said to be a active sentence. Now let's see what is passive. Now we shall see the definition of passive voice. Passive voice in passive voice a verb shown that in the passive voice a verb show that what is done to is subject. In this sentence or in passive voice, the verb show that what is done to a subject is said to be passive voice. It means किसी भी सेंटेंस में कोई वर्क सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा क्या किया गया वो अगर शो करता है तो वह पैसिव वॉइस होता है। पैसिव वॉइस में वर्क किसके द्वारा किया गया यह दिखाया जाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल as I have written before active sentence, इसके पहले जो हमने एक्टिव सेंटेंस लिखा था वो था किरण read a book. This sentence is in active form and the same sentence I will change in passive form. Here the passive of this sentence will be this is an active sentence. Now I am going to change the same sentence in passive voice. The passive voice of the same sentence, this active sentence will be a book is read by Kiran. Here in this sentence, a book is read by Kiran is a passive sentence. In this sentence, a book is here in this sentence a book is a subject which is object of the previous sentence. इस सेंटेंस में बुक हमारा सब्जेक्ट है जो हमारे एक्टिव सेंटेंस का ऑब्जेक्ट था। यहाँ जो हमारा बुक है एक बुक वर्ड जो है वो हमारा सब्जेक्ट कहलाएगा बट ये ऑब्जेक्ट था एक्टिव सेंटेंस का जो चेंज हो जाते हैं सब्जेक्ट में। उसके बाद देन वी यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग हम इसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब को यूज करते हैं एंड देन वर्ब दिस वर्ब चेंज इनटू वर्ब हर्ड। यहाँ पे क्योंकि रेड का रड़ी रहेगा, स्पेलिंग में कोई डिफरेंसेस नहीं है, बट देयर इज अ डिफरेंस इन प्रोनाउंसिएशन. Then we use by, and the last Kiran, that is object of this sentence, but it is a subject in the active sentence. यहाँ पे जो किरण है ये ऑब्जेक्ट है, बट ये आपका जो एक्टिव सेंटेंस था उसका सब्जेक्ट हो जाता है. इट मीन्स इन पैसिव वॉइस सब्जेक्ट इज चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट. यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट इज चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट. हमारा जो सब्जेक्ट होता है वो ऑब्जेक्ट में चेंज हो जाता है, और जो हमारे ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं वो सब्जेक्ट में चेंज हो जाते हैं. हमें एक्टिव से पैसिव बनाते समय ये ध्यान रखना है, हमारा जो ऑब्जेक्ट है इट मींस आवर सब्जेक्ट इज चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट इज चेंज इनटू सब्जेक्ट, एंड देन वी यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ आवर पैसिव सेंटेंस and third form of the verb followed by. So in this way there are some general rule of changing active to passive sentence. They are our first rule of changing active to passive. The first rule is when we change active sentence into passive sentence, then subject of active sentence change into object in passive voice, in passive sentence. In passive sentence. In the same way, object of active sentence change into object of active sentence change into subject in passive sentence. This two is the main changes. When in our active sentence, when we change our active sentence in passive sentence into passive form, the subject of our active sentence change into object in passive sentence, and the object of our active sentence change into subject in passive sentence. Now the third rule, by is used before object in passive sentence. In passive sentence. And the fourth rule is there is personal pronoun changes and helping verb. Here helping verb and pronoun changes has been done. Changes has been done according to the subject or object sentence, and also personal pronoun changes has been done according to the subject of our passive sentence or the object of our passive sentence. यानी किसी भी सेंटेंस में हमारा सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट के प्लेस में जो भी प्रोनाउन आए हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग जब हम पैसिव वॉइस बनाते हैं तो वो चेंजेस सेंटेंस पे डिपेंड करता है कि वो अगर वो सब्जेक्ट में है तो पर्सनल प्रोनाउन चेंजेस ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में होंगे, अगर ऑब्जेक्ट के प्लेस में है तो वो सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होंगे। हेल्पिंग वर्ब अगर सिंगुलर है तो सिंगुलर और प्लूरल है तो प्लूरल, ये हमारा सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट पे डिपेंड करता है। अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल फॉर्म में है तो पैसिव बनाते समय प्लूरल लगाएंगे, अगर हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर फॉर्म में है एक्टिव सेंटेंस में तो उसको पैसिव में बदलते समय प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज कर देंगे। आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड। लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स of active and passive changes according to these rules. Examples. Number 1, she cooked the food. This sentence is an active sentence. This sentence is active sentence. I change this sentence in passive. Here, this is subject, this is verb first form, and here it is object. Now I change this sentence in passive voice, and the passive of this sentence is the food. The food. She cooks food. The food is cooked by she. So it becomes her. She become her in passive voice. So in this way, this sentence is in passive form. Let's see another example. They play the match. This sentence is active sentence. Here our subject is they, that is plural. Play is a verb. The match is object or you can complement. The match. If you change this sentence into active to passive form, the passive of this sentence will be the match. Match is played by them. Here there is a personal pronoun changes. Here they become them in passive sentence. Passive. Here the word they become them in passive voice, and the match is a